Okay, I just popped to RAF Hibaldstow, or Hibaldstow, however you want to pronounce it, and noticed this just on the way in. Just a rather nice air raid shelter with quite a heavy duty blast door. Look at this thing. It's the first air raid shelter I've seen with this still intact. And it's different to the other ones I've seen in Lincolnshire so far, because it's a nissen hut design as opposed to the concrete fabricated ones you'll find at places like Camington. So there's some rather mean mattresses on the floor. God knows if they're original, but I'd say it's also less than 6 foot tall, the roof, because I keep banging my head on the corrugated roofing. So the other entrance you can't even remotely get into. Oh, just crack my head again then. It's a nice little place with some quite cool features in. I didn't even know this place existed until I just noticed it just now. That's the other entrance. I'll crawl back out through that one though. Ugh. These mattresses really are minging. Just gonna creep out through. Oh god, I'm so close to the edge here, I'm trying not to crack my head again. But I think that door is fantastic. Look how heavy duty that is, with the catches on it. You see them? They're lovely. Look at that. Quite a short entrance. So yeah, so this is just an air raid shelter I noticed at Hibaldstow. Or Hibaldstow. Brilliant.